Nigerian people is calling for referendum. Welcome to New York, President Joe Biden. United Nations, that's President Joe Biden. Show his video. That's President Joe Biden. Nigerian people is calling for referendum. President Joe Biden, we want referendum in Nigeria. Nigeria is about to snap. President Joe Biden convoy. Nigeria is about to snap. Do not allow Nigeria to snap, okay? We want referendum in Nigeria. President Joe Biden, Buhari is a terrorist. Buhari is a terrorist. We want 1999 constitution to come down. 1999 constitution is nepotic in nature. Buhari is a terrorist commander. Nigeria occupies the 3rd position on global terrorist index presently. After Afghanistan, after Iraq, Nigeria is next. Please do not let Nigeria snap. President Joe Biden, the world leaders, New York, all the world leaders, we're calling upon you. Nigeria, we want referendum. United Nations, we need you to send peacekeeping forces to Nigeria. Nigeria is about to snap. Nigeria has over 210 million population. The world will not be able to contain the refugee that is going to spill out of Nigeria. Nigeria is about to snap. Nigeria is about to snap. Nigeria is about to go to civil war. Nigeria is about to snap. We're calling on the good people of the world. We're calling on the world leader. The Buhari of Nigeria is a terrorist commander. Nigeria is the 3rd position on global terrorism index. Thank you to United States of America security and law enforcement. Thank you to good people, NYPD, officers of New York for keeping United States of America safe, for keeping New York safe. We thank you, we like you, we love you. We say God bless you and your family. Please continue to keep America safe. I wish I could say the same of my motherland, Nigeria. I am originally from Nigeria, born and bred in Nigeria, and a naturalized America. I wish Nigeria is as safe as America, but no thanks to Buhari. Buhari is a terrorist. He's a terrorist. He's the patron of 3 major terrorists in the world, be it the Taliban, Miyetti Allah, as well as Boko Haram in Nigeria, terrorizing, oppressing, victimizing, and terrorizing the people of the South. Where are those pictures? Let me show people this picture. These are human being heads. Where is the picture that shows the heads of human beings? These are real humans that have been terrorized, oppressed, and suppressed in Nigeria. World leaders, listen to us. We want referendum in Nigeria. 1999 constitution is a fraud. 1914 amalgamation in Nigeria has expired. 1914 amalgamation in Nigeria. This is the handiwork of Muhammadu Buhari kismet. These are real heads of human beings that have been severed. We are calling on sanctions against the Nigerian government now. We call on the world sanction to sanction the federal government of Nigeria and stop giving them loans, stop giving them arms and ammunition. They're turning against the people of Nigeria, the indigenous people of Nigeria, the Fulani people of Nigeria. They want to grab the land from we the southern people of Nigeria. These are real human being heads that are being cut off. These are young men and women in their prime. Can you see the world? The world, can you see what is going on? This is what is going on in Nigeria. These are real heads of real human people. Now, America sent intel to Buhari government of Nigeria that he has federal officials that are terrorist commander in his government. Buhari will not make any action. He will not take any action. He will not make any move. We're calling on the world leaders gathered today at the 76th United Nations General Assembly to send peacekeeping forces to Nigeria. Where is the picture of the peacekeeping forces? The picture of the peacekeeping forces. Oh my God. Hey,
oh, madam.
We want peacekeeping forces to be sent to Nigeria. Okay? 1999 Constitution is a fraudulent document. 1999 Constitution is a fraud. We need to bring 1999 Constitution down. It is nepotic in nature. It only favors the Fulani. Buhari is a terrorist. Buhari is a terrorist. We need the world to declare Miyetti Allah Group as a terrorist organization. Boko Haram is a terrorist organization. Few weeks ago, Afghanistan was run down by Taliban terrorists. Buhari is the commander of terrorist organization. It is a known fact. This is an open secret. We want the world We want the world to see to the affairs that is going on in Nigeria. Nigeria is about to snap. Nigeria has over 210 million population. Nigeria is about to snap. Nigeria is about to snap. We're calling on the world leaders not to make Nigeria snap. We're calling on the United Nations to act back and act now. To get up, to live up to their responsibility. We're calling on the United Nations to bring referendum to Nigeria. Send peacekeeping forces to Nigeria. We want to make Nigeria South people safe. As
Can you tell the world Western education is a sin in Nigeria? Western education is a sin in Nigeria.
Western education is a sin in Nigeria.
That's what
the indigenous people of Nigeria are calling for referendum, man. The indigenous. We're calling on the world leaders and the United Nations to bring referendum to Nigerians now. We want the world to impose sanctions on Nigerian government. We want the world to stop giving loans to Nigerian government. We want United States of America, Canada, Great Britain, France, China, and the Chinese government to stop the sales of arms to Nigerian government under terrorist Buhari, because he gives these arms